So we are in June, the middle of June, and we do have scholars that are still in class, scholars that are still showing up daily on time. And the best part about that is when you're in June, the scholars that are here are the scholars that are seeing growth while they're here. So we have our scholars that are split between acceleration and remediation courses, and they are receiving their targeted support based on where they are.
It's better for us because some kids in other schools don't get the time to make up some lost work. For us, since we learn in June and we are in school during June, we learn extra stuff and it helps us prepare for the futures. For science, we've been learning about genetics and heredity, so we've been learning about what chromosomes are, what makes up alleles. As Mr. K said, this is high school stuff. This is to prepare us for what we're gonna learn in 9th grade or 10th grade.
The reason it's important for us is, one, it helps us to continue to grow and push scholars so that we can really implement our true motto, which is that individualized learning. It also gives us time to still strengthen our skills. We are still executing and maintaining a high level of learning. So it allows for us to continue the development of our teachers while also continuing to move the needle and to close that achievement gap that is typically lost during the summer. So this allows for us to make the learning more hands-on, more interesting, and allow the scholars to really be their creative selves.